Hi guys! So this is my Monstera Deliciosa, and I've had her for a couple of years now, and I've long since chopped her up, propagated her. The older leaves are big, but the new ones that keeps popping out aren't as big. So I am thinking she needs a lot more light. I know she needs a lot more light. Right now she's in the east and north facing window, and then we've got our neighbor's house over here, so it blocks a lot of light. Doesn't get a huge amount of light. And if I move her up to my plant room, she'll definitely get a lot more light, and I feel like her leaves will get bigger as well. So yeah, I mean, it grows like crazy, doing fine here, but I just want the leaves to get much bigger. So I think I'm gonna take her outside, hose her down, and then put her upstairs. And I should probably repot her, but I honestly don't know if I want to tackle that task right now because she's tall, and I don't know. I think I'll... So I am in my backyard. I checked the bottom of this monster, and the roots are coming out of the drainage holes. So I have to repot, which is probably a good thing because I gotta do it sooner or later anyway. So I might as well do it now before I bring it all the way upstairs to the plant room. So this is the biggest pot that I can find. It's, I don't know, it's considerably bigger. It'll be perfect, I think. So yeah, let's do this. So I've got this on its side, and I'm trying to just ease this out of the pot. So there's the root ball, and I'm just going to pull all the soil, as much of it away as possible, and check for any root rot. I got this back when I first started with my plant journey, so this one doesn't have much for drainage as far as the soil goes, but still surprisingly really no root rot. I did find a couple of growth points here and here, so that's cool. And there's some dry roots at the top, which I'm just going to pull those off. There's the root ball. I wish I had a bigger pot slightly, but this will do. They like to be root bound anyway. Now I'll put in the support. I've got my support back in, and now I'm going to fill it in with very chunky mix. Now it's time to prop her up. So here she is. She's beautiful. I know she'll be much happier here, and hopefully now she will spit out really big leaves for me.